Well, this is officially our last gasp. It is January 10th, and we did have a great cold front blow in on Friday night, Saturday morning. This is Sunday afternoon. It's about 2:15. We just got to the plot, and our first deer is back there about 200 yards away. We've got beans here. We've got a decent wind. It's a little iffy, but we flicked the ozonics on, giving those things a shot here. We'll put them to the test tonight because the wind's kind of going to switch from this way to kind of that way. So bottom line is we're going to be pretty dicey with the wind, but we got to give it a try. It's the last day. The last going to be down to the last hour, I'm sure, and we're here giving it a try still. So stick with us. You never know. Bucks back there. Oh, they're coming this way. Oh, it's the 7-pointer, and it's the mature 8. That's a mature, tall, heavy 8-pointer. He's definitely heavier than the front one. Gosh, something just ran off. He's down right there. January 10th. That's a management buck that we were after. Big, heavy, old 8-pointer. Well, this buck's all run down and old. I saw him bow hunting a couple times. He's heavy. Pretty tall, pretty neat looking. Not a huge scoring deer, but I haven't really been good about taking out old mature bucks off the farm the last couple of years. So he definitely fits that category. He's definitely laying dead right there at about 30 yards. Yes, last day. Thanks, buddy. Pretty excited. Last day of the season. Let's go take a look at him. All right. Let me set this gun down. What a beauty. Last day of the season, last 20 minutes or so. This is one of the bucks we were actually targeting during the late muzzleloader season. Nice, big, bully, heavy horn, dark bases, a lot of gnarl, beautiful forehead. Nice big 8-pointer. Saw him a few times bow season. Early, really big, really big deer. And toward the end of the season, you could tell he had really run down a little bit from the rut. We were hoping we might get a crack at him. We saw him a couple times this late muzzleloader season. but we opted not to shoot him earlier when he came out tonight. 20 minutes left, last day. I couldn't resist. It's January 10th, my mother's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I got me a little present tonight, too. I'm Jason Meller. Thanks for watching.